Hi ma'am, good day. Can you tell me about yourself?
By the way, my name is Rodalina Pabuen, 42 years old, married, blessed with 6 children. I am a high school graduate in Pilar High School, Kisolun, Sumilao, Bukidnon, Philippines.
Alright, so since you've mentioned that you have 6 children, ma'am, right?
Mhm.
So how old are they, ma'am?
24, 21, 19, 17, 16, 15, and 10 years old.
Okay, so since you are a high school graduate, so can you tell me the reason why you did not finish your
I did not
study,
finish
ma'am?
my school, college because of financial problem.
Okay, so do you have work experience
Yes, I
abroad?
have work experience abroad in Saudi Arabia, 14 years straight for one employer. I have successfully finished my contract there.
Okay, so from what year, ma'am?
2015 up to 2025.
Okay, so can you tell me, ma'am, your duties and responsibilities there?
My duties and responsibilities there are cooking, cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, and taking care of the children and the 98 years old woman.
Okay, so how do you take care of an elderly woman, ma'am?
I taking care of the elderly and I help them there to go to the toilet, taking her for bathing, change her diaper, keep her medicine, and I cook them for uh, nutritious food.
Alright, so since you've mentioned that you are taking care of children also, how old are they, ma'am?
10 years old, 6 years old, and 3 years old, and 1 year old.
So how do you take care of the children, ma'am?
Taking care of the children, sending them to school, and I get back for salt at home and cook them for nutritious food, help them for reading books and their assignments.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am trustworthy, hardworking, dedicated to my work, honest, efficient, and flexible.
Okay, so do you have any tattoo in your
No,
body?
ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of
Yes,
surgery?
ma'am. 16 years ago sa cesarean.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to help my family, to send my children to their school and help my parents.
So, are you scared of dogs and
No,
cats?
ma'am.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have experience taking care of pets, ma'am?
In the Saudi Arabia, cat.
Okay, so do you have pets at home also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many pets do you have, ma'am, at home?
In the home,
Yes, ma'am.
dogs and cats are 4 dogs and 2 cats.
Okay, so can you give me your idea how can you take care of a naughty children and children with tantrums?
Uh, Excuse me, ma'am.
How do you take care of a naughty children, ma'am?
I'm taking care of the naughty children. I speak calm voice and reading books and play with them.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
So my future employer, I am hardworking, trustworthy, dedicated to my work, and honest, understanding, patient. I hope you will give me opportunity to work in your home. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.